Oh, we got it. Oh man, this is a nice fish. Hey buddy, nice back. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I've really started to like kayak fishing, so I went out again to a different pond and we caught quite a few fish. Mostly on topwater. Actually, I think they were all on topwater. And I had new line on, and it wasn't very heavy line, so a bunch of fish broke off, but we did catch quite a few fish, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. Look how far I can cast with this stuff. Oh. Go. Oh, dang it. That was a weird hook set. Couldn't do much about that. Ah, oh, dang. Pretty nice fish. Not bad. Yeah, that was a pretty weird hook set. Oh, got it. Oh, he's all in the weeds. Here we go. He's not tiny. A little one? Oh. Yeah. He's not an amazing fighter. He's a jumper, that's for sure. That's a pretty fat one. I'm gonna get him at the bank. Oh, first fish of the day, guys. Not a bad one either. Gotcha. That's a nice fish. Right, nice hook set right there at the top of the mouth. There we go. It's a solid 3, at least. I mean, it's a nice fish. All right, guys. First fish of the day. I'd say 2. It's a fat fish though, so I'd give it a 3. Yeah. All right, first fish of the day. Not bad. On the frog. Here he goes. See you, buddy. Solid fish. Oh my gosh, this dude is tiny. Oh my gosh, this dude is tiny. How the heck did I catch this dude? Oh, on the spook. Nice little guy. Baby. I don't want to get hooked by it, bud. Oh, barely hooked. Wow. Nice, tiny little guy. See you, buddy. Nice back foot. Alright, that was on the spook. Baby guy. On the spook. guys. Oh, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. Alright, on the boat. Chillax, guy. Chillax, chillax, chillax. Alright, nice 1 pounder. On the spook. Nice. Stay on the left. There we go. Nice. Nice little 1 pounder. Really dark. He's living up in these trees I'm betting. Nice little 1 pounder on the spook. So let him go. There he goes. See you, buddy. Nice. Make sure that line's okay. Glad I didn't break off on that dude, because somehow keep on breaking off. He blew it up. Oh, you got it. Blew it up right out of the water. These little guys are destroying the spook. Oh man, we're doubled up. My dad's got a nice one. Looks like. Yeah, looks like Dad's got a nice one. All right. Another little guy on the spook. This dude blew it up right out of the water before hitting it again. Pretty cool. Nice little guy. Probably ½ pound. No, 3/4. See you, buddy. Thanks for biting. Pretty cool though. He blew it up right out of the water and then went for it again. Yeah. Don't spook anybody. Also don't want to stay right here. We're right next to the trees. Seems like they're liking the spook. Perfect. Oh, we got it. Got him. Oh man, this is a nice fish. Oh my gosh, lightning. No, my gosh, that was a 5 pounder. That was a 5 pounder. Broke off again. Got him. You know, drag is pretty loose. Let's catch some fish. See that fish? It's really skinny, man. wow. Yeah, he's really skinny. Nice. I don't have a net in the boat. Yeah. Second best fish of the day. He's pretty skinny. This dude could be a 3 or 4 if he wanted to, but it's pretty skinny, so. There he goes. Nice kickoff. All right. That drag's set pretty well now, so seems like maybe we could get the big one now. Oh man. Oh, no, please. We got him. That was a nice spot. You're getting all those weeds, buddy. Not a bad one. Fat little dude. Buddy, chill. When I saw the blow up, I thought it was a little bigger. It's a pretty big blow up, I mean. It's big. For sure. Nice little chunk. It's got a little bit of belly to him. I mean, yeah. There he goes. Nice little kickoff. Oh, shoot. Got it. Hey, bud. How's it going? Little guy. Blew it up right out of the water. There we go. Finally. Little guy, a little bit of blood. There he goes. Nice. Pretty cool blow up. See if we can get another one. right at the boat. That's pretty funny. Don't want to get stabbed today. That would not be really that fun. Oh, buddy, I don't know where you are now. There you are. Gotcha. Nice little dink. See you, buddy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Even though we broke off on a couple fish, we did have a pretty good time while we were at the pond. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed.